it's B with Beauty by B, and I am back with another video. Alright, so in this video, I am going to show you how I do my eyebrows, okay? This is for beginners. So we're going to start with the spoolie, and we're just going to brush out your eyebrow hairs. You're going to kind of brush them out, and you're going to kind of brush them up a little bit to try to, get those eyebrow hairs straightened out. Now I am going to start with my dark brown eyebrow pencil, and as you can see, I am going to lightly trace the outer shape of my eyebrow. Okay, like I said, this is how I do my eyebrow. So I'm just tracing the outer shape of my eyebrow, and then I am gently filling it in like with little line strokes, because you want to imitate natural hair. And now I'm going to take that same spoolie that I had before, and I'm just going to kind of brush out my eyebrows so that those harsh lines are not in there. And now here's the fun part. We are going to use some concealer to outline or to trace the outer edges of our eyebrows to kind of clean it up and to also create that shape that you want. So as you can see, I'm just kind of tracing over and I'm kind of cleaning up that area of any eyebrow pencil that might have gotten out or any hairs that might be sticking out. So you can use some concealer to do that. And now I'm going to take another brush and I am going to just blend out that concealer just so that it can make a smooth transition from the eyebrow down to the eyelid. So you just kind of want to blend that out. And now I'm going to trace over the top part of the eyebrow using the same concealer and using the same method. I'm just going to trace around it just so we can kind of clean it up and make it nice and sharp. And now I'm going to take that same brush as before and blend out the edges of that concealer so that it can blend into my skin and the rest of my face. We don't want any harsh or sharp lines there. And just kind of play around with it, buffer it out, blend it out, make it nice and seamless. Now this is the part where you just kind of got to play around with it, try to do certain things to kind of make it look the way you want it to look. And girl, you are done. Now remember, your eyebrows are not twins. They might not even be sisters. They might not even know each other. But hey, thank you for watching this video. See you in my next one.